Welcome to our channel, where we break down the essentials of applying for student loan forgiveness in 2025 without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Let's get started with everything you need to know to apply for student loan forgiveness in 2025. First, understand that student loan forgiveness programs typically require you to meet specific eligibility criteria, which can include income level, employment status, type of loan, and payment history. Begin by gathering your financial documents, including your loan statements, tax returns, and employment records. Step 1. Check your loan type. Only federal student loans qualify for forgiveness programs, so verify your loan status on the official federal student loan website. Step 2. Determine which forgiveness program fits your situation best. Popular options include public service loan forgiveness, teacher loan forgiveness, and income-driven repayment forgiveness. Each has distinct requirements, such as working in qualifying public service jobs or making a certain number of payments under an income-driven repayment plan. Step 3. Complete the application. Download the appropriate forms from official government websites or use their online application portals. Be sure to fill out every section accurately to avoid processing delays. Step 4. Submit your application along with any supporting documentation required. Keep copies for your records. Step 5. Follow up as needed. The review process can take weeks to months, so track the status through your loan servicer's website or customer service. If additional information is requested, provide it promptly to keep your application moving. Step 6. Once approved, confirm your loan balance and monthly payments reflect the forgiveness granted. If there are discrepancies, contact your servicer immediately. Remember, maintaining eligibility throughout the process is vital, so stay informed about any changes in federal programs or your personal circumstances. Applying for student loan forgiveness in 2025 need not be overwhelming when you follow these clear steps. Approach this task methodically and patiently to maximize your chances of success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful financial guidance.